agreed on something and we moved on from there.
You also said in a Mumbai Mirror interview that if Dabangg 2 would have worked, then maybe you would have been expected to do a Dabangg 3. So it seems a bit of an obligation. It's a super hit film.
It's
one of the biggest.
No,
it's one of the biggest hits of all time.
Obligation happens between two people, one who obliges someone, the other one who feels the obligation. Arbaz has never obliged me. I feel the obligation because I feel that this is my first film and Arbaz did give me a break. But Arbaz has never intended to oblige me कि तेरे पे एहसान कर रहा हूँ, कभी नहीं किया उन्होंने. और in fact he looked after me very well and I'm very very happy with the support.
No, but
and
the obligation seems from your part. You know, there's a super hit film. There's a sequel coming to it.
The obligation is being built by you, media, the third party. People expect me to do Dabangg 2.
Yeah, but when you say that maybe you'll be expected to do a Dabangg Part 3, I think if Rohit Shetty is making Golmaal,
so
people would
it's from people,
continue.
the media. Everyone I interact with, they are saying, कब हो रही Dabangg 2? कब हो रही Dabangg 2? आप पूछते हो कब हो रही Dabangg 2? आपने वो उम्मीद बढ़ा दी है कि अरबाज, that you know, वो उम्मीद का जो प्रेशर है वो अरबाज भी फील करते हैं, मैं भी फील करता हूँ. तो इस वजह से अरबाज को भी फर्स्ट ऑप्शन मुझे देना पड़ता है कि यार Dabangg 2 तुम करो. और मुझे लगता है कि यार ऐसे तो फिर पब्लिक की उम्मीद के हिसाब से चलते रहे तो अपना कुछ कर ही नहीं पाएंगे जिंदगी में.
You and Dilip Shukla are credited with as the story and the dialogue writers of the film, that is Dabangg. And Arbaz told us that certain dialogues in the film, like इतने छेद कर दूंगा कि and कमीने से याद आया and हम Robin Hood Pandey हैं. So he says that Salman Khan has written those dialogues.
True.
So, but as a writer yourself, don't you feel that maybe you could have said anything about it earlier? Or
एक स्क्रिप्ट आपको देता हूँ 80 पन्ने की, उसमें कुछ नहीं तो 4000 डायलॉग्स हैं. तो आपने स्पेसिफिकली आप पूछो ये किसने लिखा, ये किधर से आया, कुधर से, ये वाला किधर से आया, तो मैं बता दूंगा आपको क्या चीज कहाँ से आई. मैंने कभी भी ये डिनाई नहीं किया कि सलमान का कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं है. कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत लोगों का है. दिलीप शुक्ला का है, मेरा है, अरबाज का खुद का है, मेरे दोस्त सुनील नगोरा का है.
Right. In Veer, Salman is credited as a writer. So why was not Salman not credited as a writer?
You should ask Salman. If his contribution was substantial enough, then he would have been given credited for writing the film. पर वो ठीक था. ये एक्टर्स के improvisations होते हैं, एक्टर्स से भी कुछ मिलता है. ऐसा एक्टर्स ऐसा नहीं है कि आप उनको कुछ बोल दो कि ये कर दो तो वो कर देंगे. वो कठपुतली थोड़ी है.
A lot of debate has been happening that who is the captain of the ship. Many people say that director is the captain of the ship, and overall he is supposed to be handling everything. In terms of that, he's the final say in the film. And one school of thought in Bollywood we have that bound script hona chahiye and everything should be followed to the T. There are people who are doing it, and then we've been hearing since age-old things that dialogues are written on the set and they're improvised and those kind of things happen. So it's a two-way thing. Arbaz told us that 60 days of the film was shot by the action director because 60 days of action were there in the film. 25 days were shot by the choreographer because 25 days of choreographing was there. So how can you take away the credit of those people as it? How do you react to it?
No reaction.
What is direction? What is director's role in totality?
Just getting the whole team together. The team works together and everyone gets what they deserve. I see the team of any feature film like a body, where I see the producer's role is as heart and I see the writer's role as a mind. जो भी technicians हैं वो शरीर के अंदर के पुर्जे हैं. जो actors हैं वो उसका face हैं या hands हैं या legs हैं. I see my personal role as a director as the spine of the show. If the spine is visible in a body, then there's some problem with the body. तो इसलिए मैं छुपा रहता हूँ. आप you cannot quantify कि इतना काम उसने किया, इसने किया, सब मिलके करते हैं. फुटबॉल मैच है. आप कैसे परसेंटेज में कैलकुलेट कर दोगे कि जर्सी नंबर 10 ने क्या 30% जिताया टीम को और गोल तो 1-0 ही था स्कोर लाइन. तो एक 1-0 से टीम जीती है तो आप यू कांट क्वांटिफाई कि जर्सी नंबर 7 ने 30% किया, 2% इसने किया, 5% ये आपका ओपिनियन है. टीम ऐसा नहीं सोचती है.
Okay, one trade analyst has said that it's irrelevant as to who's directing Dabangg Part 2 as long as Salman is part of it.
Very true, because he's the face of the show. People know him as Chulbul Pandey. Nobody knows me as Chulbul Pandey. And people believe what they see. What goes out on screen is what they see. And what goes out on screen is Salman Khan. So he's brand Dabangg. It's true. As long as he's doing it, Dabangg 2 doesn't get affected so much, which is why it's easier for me to opt out. But if Salman Khan opts out of Dabangg 2, there